welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this St. Leaf soup. This is our great recipe of today. So this is the turmeric. I'm going to be making turmeric and groundnut, which is peanuts. I'm going to be making this soup together. And we have all the ingredients in here: turmeric, ginger, pepper, garlic, onions, and we also have here, we have crayfish, peanuts roasted, and we also have bushmeat here called antelope, and also have fish. So we're gonna be making this soup. It's gonna be very, very delicious. So if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to this channel and also share my video. Thank you all, and also watch out how I am gonna commence with this cooking. And I'm gonna cook it with this antelope. It's well smoked dry, so this is the one I'll be using for this soup. And if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. So now we're gonna start cooking this soup. So this is the blended St. Leaf. The granules and everything is in here. So now we're just going to add the fish so they can all cook together. And we're going to cover it up and let it cook for at least some few minutes before we start to add all the ingredients to it. So right now we just let it boil with the fish before we start to add ingredients. So now we have to check. Yes, this is what we want. It's boiling so fast. And right now we're just gonna add seasoning. This is seasoning. Just gonna add seasoning, and we're gonna add salt. Just gonna add some salt. That's it. And we're just gonna start adding all the bush meat. Just gonna start adding the bush meat so they all can cook together. And that is it for now. And we just add a little bit of water to make it cook very well. And we'll cover it up. Let it cook for at least a few minutes, and we'll come back for it again. So now we have to check. Wow, this is what we want, and it's cooking so well. So right now we're just going to add oil, a little bit of oil, just a little bit. That will be enough, and we just stir it together. Wow, this is one of the native soup delicacy we eat from our land, Edo State. This is one of the best soup ever. So wash out and let it cook, and we'll see the finishing of this cooking. So right now, oh wow, this is the soup. This is our native soup. It's cooking so well. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig in on this special soup called native St. Leaf soup. This is our delicacy. So right now we'll let it cook for some few more minutes, and that is what we'll serve. So this is the soup, and it's ready to serve. So now it's time to check it out. Wow, this is our native soup, very ready. So this is the soup. This is the black soup with starch. So thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you for now, and bye. Wow. So, oh, the wonderful soup.